Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're cutting through the competition with a guide to the best table saws. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, woodworker, or professional contractor, a good table saw is essential for precision and power in your projects. We'll be showcasing top models that offer accuracy, safety features, and durability for all your cutting needs. Ready to find the perfect table saw for your workshop? Let's dive in. And as always, all the product links are in the description below. Number 5. LZHZ-XY Electric Dust-Free Composite Wood Table Saw. The LZHZ-XY Electric Dust-Free Composite Wood Table Saw is a must-have for both amateur and professional woodworkers looking for precision, durability, and ease of use. Below, we delve into its key features and benefits that make it a standout choice for woodworking enthusiasts. Built with an 8mm aluminum alloy flip chip, this table saw is engineered to withstand the rigors of woodworking. Its robust construction ensures longevity and stability during operation, making it a reliable tool for any workshop. One of the standout features of this table saw is its advanced dust-free design. Equipped with a powerful 1.2 kilowatt dust collection motor, it effectively minimizes sawdust, ensuring a cleaner workspace and improved air quality. This feature is particularly beneficial for those who prioritize a tidy working environment. The integrated sliding table allows for precise cuts at angles of 45 degrees, enhancing the versatility of this tool. With independent lifting capabilities, users can achieve a wide range of woodworking tasks with ease. The LZHZ-Y table saw comes with a comprehensive set of tools, including a 10-inch large motor, an 8-inch alloy saw blade, and a 4-inch subsaw. This complete functionality means you have everything you need for various woodworking projects right at your fingertips. With a powerful 2.6 kilowatt main saw and a 1.6 kilowatt subsaw. Number 4. LZXY M1YDHK210B 8-inch table saw. The LZHZ-XY M1YDHK210B 8-inch table saw is an excellent choice for hobbyists and DIY enthusiasts who require a reliable and efficient cutting machine for household woodworking projects. This miniature table saw combines versatility and precision, making it a valuable addition to any workshop. Weighing in at approximately 14.3 kilograms, this 8-inch table saw is designed for easy transport and storage. Number 3. WJZMJ Multifunctional Saw Table Push Table Saw. The WJZMJ Multifunctional Saw Table Push Table Saw is an exceptional tool designed for woodworkers who demand precision, versatility, and efficiency. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, this saw offers features that enhance your woodworking experience. Here's a detailed look at its standout attributes. This push table saw is designed for a range of woodworking applications, making it suitable for tasks such as dado jigs and tongue-and-groove cuts. Its multifunctional capabilities allow you to tackle various projects with ease, enhancing your productivity. Engineered for a cleaner workspace, the WJZMJ saw minimizes dust during operation. This feature not only keeps your work area tidy but also promotes a healthier environment, making it ideal for indoor use. Number 2. WJ Multifunctional Panel Saw. The WJ Multifunctional Panel Saw is an innovative tool designed for woodworking enthusiasts and professionals alike. With its dust-free operation and precision cutting capabilities, this electric saw is perfect for a variety of decorative and functional woodworking projects. Here's a closer look at its specifications and features. This panel saw is engineered for multiple woodworking applications, making it versatile enough for various tasks. Whether you're making precise cuts for furniture or decorative elements, this saw can handle it all. The WJ Multifunctional Panel Saw features advanced dust-free technology that minimizes mess during operation. This ensures a cleaner workspace, promoting safety and efficiency while you work. With a high motor power of 2,800 watts and a small motor power of 1,600 watts, this saw provides ample power for cutting through various materials. The vacuum motor power of 1,200 watts further enhances its performance by keeping your workspace clear of debris. This table panel saw offers a maximum saw blade speed of 4,500 N, allowing for accurate and clean cuts. The strengthened copper core motor contributes to its reliability and efficiency, ensuring you get the best results from every project. Weighing 26 kilograms and with dimensions of 50 by 30 by 35 centimeters, this saw is compact enough for home use while still being heavy-duty. Number 1. F45C Double 45 Degree Tilting Saw. The F45C double 45-degree tilting saw is a robust, versatile, and highly efficient machine designed for precision cutting of wood panels and similar materials. With a 330 and 120 double tilting saw blade and a sliding table, this powerful tool is ideal for professionals looking to process large wood pieces and panels with exceptional accuracy. Durable, movable table guide track. Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video. If you liked this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like, and if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel.